Ever come across an image with text you wish you could just erase? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove text from an image in Canva using one of its smartest tools, the Wishing Magic Eraser. Let's dive in. First, open Pause in Canva and head over to the sole design or project that contains the image you want to edit. Once you're in, locate the specific image on your canvas and I'll click on it. This simple step activates all the editing tools linked to your image. Now, at the top of your toolbar, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into Canva's detailed photo editing interface, where you'll find several tools to fine-tune your image. Next, it's time to meet your new best friend, the Magic Eraser. This tool is designed to remove unwanted elements from your photo, like text, objects, or marks, with incredible precision. Click on Magic Eraser to activate it. Once it's on, your cursor will change to a brush. Simply hover over the text you want to remove and drag your cursor across it. As you do this, Canva will intelligently detect and erase the text while keeping the background smooth and natural. Take your time with this step. Smaller brush strokes usually give more accurate results. If you erase too much, don't worry. You can always undo your last action and try again. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done to finalize your edit. And just like that, the unwanted text is gone. Your image now looks clean, professional, and ready for any design purpose. Whether it's for a social media post, presentation, or marketing graphic, that's all it takes to remove text from an image in Canva. This simple yet powerful feature can completely transform your visuals in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with the next Canva trick you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching.